this video, I'm going to explain my answer in course outcome 2. So in task 1, close-up survey, and our special survey is survey number 1. So in survey number 1, all wave frames rings in a wing ballast tank, if any, or cargo wing used primarily for water ballast. 2-1 deck transfers, which is there are A, B, C, and A in each of the remaining ballast tanks if any, and B in a cargo wing tank, and C in a cargo sentry tank. 3 boat transfers bulkhead in a wing ballast tank if any, or a cargo wing tank used primarily for water ballast. So this is the use of the special survey number 1, which explain that 5 years old tank must be surveyed according to special survey number 1 in a close-up survey. So in task 2, thickness measurement, special survey number 2, because our tank is or our ship is 10 years old, and in special survey within the cargo tank, in measurement, thickness measurement is there are 4 category or 4 explanation or measurement or survey in tank. So in 1, with the cargo tank length, each deck plate within the cargo tank length A and B, each deck plate 1 transfer section, and 2 measurement for general assessment and recording of corrosion pattern of structural members subject to close-up survey in accordance to the table 3.7.2, etc. So in 3 and 4, selected wind and water streaks outside the cargo tank length, critical areas as required by the surveyor. So what that is, the surveyor must check the critical situation in the ship in special survey number 2, which is our ship old is 10 years old. And in task 3, thickness measurement, bottom structure with substantial corrosion. So our structural members 1 and 2 is our bottom plating number 1. Our number 2 is bottom longitudinals, and our extent measurement of bottom plating, which is minimum of 3 bays across the tank including after bay. So our measurement around and under all sanction trams. So that is the extent of measurement of bottom plating. So our bottom longitudinals naman is minimum 3 longitudinals in each bay where bottom plating measured. So our pattern of measurement in bottom plating, 5-point pattern for each longitudinals and waves. And our bottom longitudinals is 3 measurement in line across flange and 3 measurement on vertical wave. So in task 4, shell, longitudinal bulkheads and substantial corrosion. So our structural members is deck, head, bottom strakes, and strakes in way of stringer platforms. So our extent measurement is plating between each pair of longitudinals in a minimum of 3 bays. Our pattern of measurement, single measurement. 2, all other strike plating between every third pair of longitudinal in same 3 bays, and our pattern measurement is single measurement. So our number 3 is longitudinal deck heads and bottom strakes. Our extent measurement is each longitudinal in same 3 bay, and our pattern of measurement is 3 measurements across wave and a measurement of flange. So our longitudinal bracket, minimum of 3 at top, middle, and bottom of tank in 3 bays. Our pattern of measurement is 5 pattern over area of bracket. So that is etc. We have longitudinal, all others, wave frame, and other ties, but we can tackle that about under a structural member like of the task 3 I explained. It's same of the task 3 I explained, the structural members of the bottom structure of substantial corrosion. So that is my explanation of our car's outcome number 2.